Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called SurveySparrow, and this is the best platform to grow your brand. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply access this platform and get exclusive discounts and benefits, as well extended free trials and your extended free trial. So what you are going to be doing is that now on the platform you will be able to see that they have this really nice interface, and the amazing thing is if you scroll a little bit down you can get to know the features that are offered, like for example multilingual surveys, themeable, and you can customize it according to your liking, smart dashboards, AI powered, and automations. So it only also have omni channels and custom reports. Now if you scroll a bit more down you will be able to see the interface sneak peek. So the sentiment trends are going to be displayed in here, the brand comparison, so you can also compare your brand. Let me just minimize this. And customer interaction count, all of that will be available on this platform. Now talking about this platform's ratings, it is quite nice. So you can see SurveySparrow effective survey and feedback management software. We have been using SurveySparrow to collect and manage feedback. It makes it easy to create surveys thanks to the available templates that are also customizable. We have greatly improved customer experience thanks to ease of collecting and processing their feedback. So what a nice review by this. So make sure to give it a try for this platform, and I highly recommend this. You can use the link in the description to get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.